In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Mary is a queen in service to God and humanity. She is Queen of Love, who lives the gift of self to God in order to enter into the plan of salvation for mankind. These were the words of Pope Benedict XVI in his General Audience Catechesis. Reflecting on the feast of the Queenship of the Blessed Virgin, the Pope reminded the faithful gathered in Castel Gandolfo that Mary is Queen because she is uniquely associated with her Son, both during his earthly journey and in the glory of heaven. Jesus is a king who serves his servants, and in the same way the Mother of the Lord intertwines her own queenship with humility, service, and love. Whether we are content or experiencing life's dark times, we turn to Mary, entrusting ourselves to her continual intercession, because through her Son we can gain every grace and mercy necessary for our pilgrimage along the roads of the world.